Connecting your external bank account to Ro is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to complete the connection. Step 1. Log into your Ro account. Start by logging into your Ro account using your credentials. Ensure you have access to both your Ro account and the external bank account you wish to connect. Step 2. Navigate to the banking section. Once logged in, go to the banking section of your Ro dashboard. Look for an option that says Connect External Bank Account or something similar to begin the linking process. Step 3. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your external bank account details. This typically includes your bank's name, account number, and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Step 4. Verify your account. After entering your bank details, Ro may require you to verify your account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Ro into your external account. Follow the instructions provided to complete this verification step. Step 5. Complete the connection. Once your account is verified, you will receive a confirmation that your external bank account is successfully connected to Ro. You can now manage transactions and transfers between your accounts seamlessly. By following these steps, you can easily connect your external bank account to Ro and enjoy a more integrated financial management experience.